Hi guys, here is the CryptoJet channel. In this video we want to check the latest news of Chromia. Please subscribe to our channel so you don't miss the next videos. Blockchain platform Chromia's native token CHR had surged by over 7,000% in 2021 on the back of the soaring popularity of DApps, NFTs and blockchain-based play-to-earn gaming. But, after hitting an all-time high on November 20th of $1.50, it has gone into steep decline up to today, 15 December, where it stands 64% lower at 54 cents. There are now a wide variety of blockchain networks and cryptocurrencies to choose from, so why Chromia? Chromia says it is different to the rest because it focuses on the user interface and developer experience. Let's learn more about the Chromia platform today to assess its investment eligibility. At the start of the year, CHR was trading around $0.02162. In early March, the coin gained momentum and climbed to $0.6878 by March 13th, a rise of over 2,000% within a span of over 3 months. It was at the start of November that CHR got its big break. Over the past 30 days, CHR has surged from a price as low as $0.3021 to as high as $1.50, representing a rise of nearly 4,000% in 1 month. On November 20th, CHR hit an all-time high of $1.50. Prices have since dropped by over 64% since then. As of December 14th, CHR was trading at 54 cents and ranked 171st among cryptocurrencies in terms of market capitalization, according to CoinMarketCap. CHR is also trading above its 21-day simple moving average of about $0.514 of December 14th. When comparing the year-to-date charts of Chromia with bellwether cryptocurrency Bitcoin, there is a clear correlation with price movements between the two cryptocurrencies. It is quite evident that smaller, lesser-known coins can benefit from the improving risk-on sentiment for leading coins like Bitcoin and Ethereum. For example, CHR's hit an all-time high around the same period BTC and ETH scaled new record highs. In the same vein as Bitcoin has dropped from all-time highs, so has CHR. Chromia is a blockchain platform for the development and deployment of DApps. The platform allows the development of multiple blockchains for each DApp, with each blockchain being run by a subset of nodes that serve to increase throughput. Chromia employs a relational database approach that is both scalable and cost-effective. Scalability is critical for DApps to expand at the same rate as their user base, improving user experience and maintenance. DApps benefit from consistency and minimal latency owing to Chromia's relational database approach, according to its white paper. Chromia also created Rule, a programming language for DApps. Furthermore, because relational language database models are frequently utilized in app development, this indicates that Chromia's relational model is well known. Some of the advantages of DApps include the lack of control by a single organization, the inability of the applications to be shut down, transparency and privacy. These advantages are sometimes hard to discover in centralized apps where service can be refused and where user data can be monetized. Green Assets Wallet, GA, was the first green finance DApp developed on the Chromia blockchain. As Chromia's flagship DApp, GA positions itself as a reliable blockchain-based platform for issuers and investors that accelerates impactful asset allocation in the sustainable space, also enabling easy validation and impact reporting of green bonds. According to its white paper, Chromia is a blockchain platform for decentralized applications, DApps, conceived in response to the shortcomings of existing platforms and designed to enable a new generation of DApps to scale beyond what is currently possible. Chromia says its aim is to address various limitations present among rival blockchain networks, such as bad user experience, high fees, frustrating developer experience and poor security. A major differentiator for Chromia is its replacement of miners with providers. As Chromia explained in its white paper, providers own nodes that produce 4 blocks. It has been suggested that the 4 largest mining pools of both Bitcoin and Ethereum could exert significant control over those networks if they colluded. We aim to ensure that the minimum number of node providers whose collusion would be required to exert such control on Chromia exceeds this number significantly. It can therefore be said that the Chromia model does not tend towards centralization any more than the oldest and most trusted public blockchains. Chromia described itself as a general-purpose platform that is suitable for almost all DApps. It added that multiplayer online games are the best way to showcase the capabilities of Chromia. Chromia differs from other platforms in that it enables massively multiplayer online games. It has built a platform that allows for hosting the entire game world. According to its white paper, Chromia said 1 billion CHR tokens will be created at launch and no further tokens will be created in the future. In addition, it stated that 70% of the tokens would be owned by Sweden-based creator Chromaway. These would then be sold, awarded to team members, invested or used in any other way. Meanwhile, 3% of the tokens had been put into an automatic conversion contract on the Ethereum blockchain that would enable CHR, ETH conversion, with 2% put into the system node's compensation pool and 25% allocated for promotional use. Within the Chromaway allocation, up to 25% of all tokens will be sold initially to select partners. The rest will be locked and released slowly over time, Chromia added, further explaining that promotional tokens would be unlocked at a rate of 0.5% per month. Today, project scalability and blockchain integration is no longer a big issue. Solutions do exist. Algorithm-based forecasting services express mostly bullish long-term Chromia crypto price predictions, as of November 26. GovCapital expects CHR prices to rise to $1.23 when 2022 closes out and to then reach $2.23 by the end of 2023 and hit $4.87 by the end of 2025. Trading Beasts shares a more conservative long-term Chromia forecast, which expects the CHR price to rise to an average of 85 cents by the end of 2022, decrease to 76 cents by the end of 2023 and move slightly up again to $0.891 by the end of 2024. Digital Coin says CHR prices will hit 81 cents by the start of 2022, rise to 92 cents by the end of 2022, hit $1.18 by the end of 2023 and $1.62 by the end of 2025. Although the forecasting service does not provide HR coin price predictions for 2030, its longer-term price target suggests the coin might hit $2.28 by the end of 2028. Wallet Investor sees CHR as an awesome long-term, 1-year, investment, and expects its price to hit $1.26 a year from now, December 2022. According to its 5-year Chromia coin price prediction, CHR could hit $3.94 by the end of December 2026. When looking for Chromia coin price predictions, it's important to bear in mind that analysts' forecasts can be wrong. Analysts' projections are based on making a fundamental and technical study of a crypto's performance. However, past performance is not an accurate guarantee of future results. It's important to do your own research, and always remember that your decision to trade depends on your attitude to risk, your expertise in the market, the spread of your investment portfolio, and how comfortable you feel about losing money. You should never invest money that you cannot afford to lose. Thank you for being with us. Goodbye until next video.